acid and bases. Okay? In our day-to-day life, you come across along with acid and bases. Generally, an acid is defined as a chemical substance which produces hydrogen ion. As per the definition, an acid is defined as the substance which produces hydrogen ion in its aqueous solution. That means acid in aqueous medium produces hydrogen ion. In a similar way, base is a substance which produces OH minus ion in its aqueous solution. That means base in aqueous medium produces OH minus ion. That means hydroxide ion. Come to acid. So acid, you take an example in your day-to-day life. That means citric acid, tartaric acid, and hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. These are the acids. Hydrochloric acid, you know, HCl. This is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid in the aqueous medium produces H plus ion and Cl minus ion. This is hydrogen ion and this is fluoride ion. This is hydrochloric acid. HCl. This is hydrogen atom and this is fluorine atom, and it produces hydrogen ion in its aqueous solution. So another example, suppose you take the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid in aqueous medium produces H plus ion and SO4 2 minus ion. 2 hydrogen atom is present. So here hydrogen ion. So hydrogen ion makes the solution acidic in nature. So the nature of a substance depends upon the presence of hydrogen ion in the sample or in the substance. Just like you take an example, this is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Just you take little one. The color changes to red. So acid means the behavior of acid towards the litmus paper. That means it changes the color of the litmus from blue litmus to red. Similarly, you take another acid, that is sulfuric acid, perchloric acid, acetic acid. These are the acids. But in our day-to-day life, we are coming in contact with some fruits that is lemons, that contains which acid? Citric acid. And tomatoes contains oxalic acid, and tamarind contains tartaric acid. Gourd contains which acid? Lactic acid. And along with the substances which are present at our globe that contains shows some acidic behavior, that is vinegar. Vinegar that contains which acid? That is acetic acid. Suppose you take vinegar. Vinegar contains acetic acid, CH3COOH. In aqueous medium, it produces hydrogen ion and acetate ion. This is acetic acid. If you see the molecular model of acetic acid, you see this is the molecular model of acetic acid. The chemical formula, that is CH3COOH. This is carbon and 3 hydrogen atoms are there. 1, 2, 3 hydrogen atoms are there. And C, this is carbon, double bond with oxygen. CH3, double bond OH. CH3 here, you see, C, hydrogen, this is hydrogen, and this is hydrogen. Carbon linked with 3 hydrogen atoms and another carbon is contact making double bond and again forms OH. So when this acid ionizes, produces hydrogen ion. Produces hydrogen means this bond is broken. This is oxygen and this is hydrogen. The bond is highly a polar bond. So when it comes contact with the water molecules, then this bond is broken down. It's dissociated to produce hydrogen ion. This is hydrogen ion. And remaining part, this is acetate ion. This is acetate ion. This is hydrogen ion. So the behavior of hydrogen ion is an acid. Makes the solution acidic in nature. So hydrogen ion is also known as proton. It produces protons. H plus ions are called also called protons. Similarly, base, you take an example, sodium hydroxide, NaOH in aqueous medium produces Na plus ion and OH minus ion. OH minus means that is called hydroxyl ion or hydroxide ion. This is base and this is acid. This is acid. Similarly, you take potassium hydroxide in aqueous medium produces K plus ion and OH minus ion. OH minus ion. You see, this chemical bottle contains sodium hydroxide. In solid state, generally sodium hydroxide